Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so we're just going to be a quick unboxing video of an item I got from Jeff King. Want to say thank you, Jeff. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching, as well as a small little shout out. What is up, everybody? How's it going? Alright, so this is going to be a video where we open this package that I got from Jeff King. Jeff King is, if you guys don't know, he is TheDenOFTools. Him and his wife do Sunday live streams on TheDenOFTools. They also have a channel called The Bear's Den on YouTube. I'll leave a link up here for both TheDenOFTools YouTube, as well as a link right after that for The Bear's Den if you guys want to go check them out. I purchased this item from Jeff. He accidentally ordered the wrong batteries off Amazon, so he put this up for sale and I snagged it from him. I'm not sure what the phone number on here is. I don't know if that's the UPS store, but I'm not going to show it. Jeff King right there. Try not to show much of it. If I showed anything at all, I apologize. I don't think I showed much, anything other than probably like 702 or something. But Jeff's a great guy. I definitely leave the cards up here. You guys go check him out. I have, and these are batteries for GoPros. I have several GoPros. I have a GoPro Hero 6. I have a Hero 7. I have two Hero 6s, a Hero 7, and I picked up the Hero 9. Box is now empty. Bunch of plastic wrap in it, which is nice. It does not come with the box, which is no big deal. Charger. It's got the USB-C to 3.0 USB-A cable. There's two batteries in here. And these are Telesin brand for Hero 9. He has the Hero 8. So he accidentally bought the wrong batteries and the wrong kit. This also will hold two memory cards. It's got two memory card slots at the top, which is kind of nice. It's got pretty strong magnetic cover, which is always nice as well. You know, just a quick little video, nothing like extravagant or, you know, large. Definitely need to do the video on my GoPro Hero 9 as well. I haven't done a video on it yet. I haven't even taken it out the box yet, so I'll get to doing that video. I appreciate Jeff for allowing me to purchase these. You know, $10 off is not bad at all. It's a nice little case. Battery charging box, GP-BCG-901, or Greg Paul Bravo Charlie Greg 901, 5 volt 2.4 amp, output 4.4 volts, 800 milliamps times 3. CE certified, FC certified, ROHS. It's made in China. Does have little rubber feet on the bottom. Sticks to the table pretty nicely. But just a quick video, guys. Just a small little thing I picked up from TheDenOFTools. I appreciate it, Jeff, very, very much. Thank you so much for sending it to me and allowing me to purchase it from you. Definitely come in handy. I do use a lot of aftermarket batteries, especially on my Hero 8s. For some reason, some of the GoPro batteries, there's weird circuitry issues between the camera and the battery. So most of my GoPro my official GoPro batteries for my Hero 6 that I'm actually recording this video on at the moment, doesn't allow the Wi-Fi to work, or doesn't allow the tracking to work, you know, the location service to work. Sometimes certain GoPro batteries will not allow you to wirelessly upload to the GoPro cloud for some reason. And I've had great success with off-brand batteries, you know, that you get on Amazon, that they normally don't have any circuitry problems where the camera, you know, certain batteries, when you plug them in, the camera doesn't want to allow you to use Wi-Fi, or it won't hook up to this remote, as an example, which is what I'm using right now. This remote runs through Wi-Fi to the camera, and some batteries will not allow the Wi-Fi to turn on, which will not allow you to use the remote. I'm not sure why certain GoPro batteries do that. I'm not sure why I've had better success with aftermarket batteries compared to GoPro batteries. I do have a couple GoPro batteries that I actually work perfectly fine. This camera that we're recording on is using an official GoPro battery for the Hero 6, and this seems to be one of the ones that works well with the remote. There is one downside to aftermarket batteries like these, and the one downside I see is that if you use them as much as I do, they do not last as long as GoPro batteries. But, you know, just a quick video. Just some information for you guys. I hope it helps. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Please like, comment, subscribe. Smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And down below, the Also Tools link that gets you 10% off your order at AlsoTools.com. Want to say thank you to all the subscribers, non-subscribers, watchers, people that like, comment, people that dislike the videos, people that use the affiliate links, because the channel is now paying for everything. So when I pick up things, the channel is now allowing me to purchase things for the channel. So we got some Milwaukee M18 switch tanks on the way that we're going to be doing testing and stuff and videos on, as well as we got Makita 18 volt, Makita 12 volt, Makita 36 volt, as well as the new 40 volt line and 80 volt line of Makita tools coming to the channel, as well as DeWalt 8 volt, 12 volt, 20 volt, 60 volt, and 120 volt battery platforms, and Milwaukee 12 volt and 18 volt. We got Bosch 20 volt or 18 volt technically, and then we also got Metabo 18 volt and 36 volt tools that we're going to be showing on the channel as well. So if any of those things you guys are interested in, smush the bell notification icon, and I hope to see you guys on the next video. You guys have an awesome rest of your day. Peace!